Now the camera's on, you're not gonna give kisses? You gonna give kisses? Of course, when the camera's on, he's gonna stop.
He was doing it before.
I know. You gonna give me kisses? Paco. Paco. Okay. So, this video is to show you how he does not like me scratching his head. Every cockatiel I've had has loved getting their head scratched. Yes. But this one, I don't know why. He just will not, he does not like it. Yes, you pretty boy. Let me scratchy. Let me scratchy, scratchy. Come on. Mommy scratchy. Scratchy, scratchy. See, he's not scared. He's just like don't do it. You gonna talk? Huh?
He's a pretty boy.
Oh, you're giving kisses? Anyways, so I've been trying to get him to let me scratch his head, but he just will not let me do it. And I don't know what to do. He's silly boy. He's just like my other cockatiels in every other way, but he just doesn't like his head scratched, and it's like driving me crazy. Because, like I said, every other cockatiel I've had has let me scratch their neck. So if you guys have any pointers for me, like help me out, like figure out what's going on, or if like just you showing up, you showing your pretty wings, yeah. If you have like any tips, or if you know like just some cockatiels just don't let you do that, or what it is, I don't know. But I really want to scratch his neck because I see him like a lot of times he'll try to do it with his foot, and I keep telling him, just let me do it. You gonna talk? Are you sucking? Are you showing off? He's showing off for y'all that he won't let me scratchy him. You get kisses? Hey, pretty boy. Okay. Let me try one more time. Come on. Sometimes he'll let me like start. Like he'll tolerate it for a minute, but then he like, now he's just not letting me do it at all. So, oh well. Thank you.